Good morning, traders. Welcome to StockCast. My name is Todd Derby, along with my co-host James Mason. Our goal is to bring you some insights and ideas regarding your day trading.
Okay, that's enough. Let's just get right to it. I'll be honest. To vote against the most important fucking part of the stand proposal, it's like going to your damn job and voting against a damn pay raise. Seriously. If I'm just going to be real. If you guys have kids around, I apologize, but this is going to be an R-rated series today, and I really don't even care. I'm just so fucking sick and tired of trying to constantly explain and teach to retail traders how shit really is, and then retail traders will they're so easy to just listen to some idiot motherfucker online who's screaming, "Oh, these are going to dilute the fucking shares." No, you idiot motherfuckers. There's a difference between fucking authorized shares and outstanding shares. Huge fucking difference. If you don't understand this shit, you need to stop fucking trading. It's that simple. And I'm actually saying that. One, I am saying out of frustration, but I'm actually saying that because in the long run, if you don't know that, you're just going to hurt yourself if you don't know the difference. That's just basics to trading, is understanding share structures.
And people, you're getting the R-rated version. I got the X-rated version 10 minutes ago.
Dude.
But seriously, I mean, you have to read what's going on. And I come from the coaching world, and when I had my own club and I was developing and training coaches, I would tell coaches, you could tell a lot about their character when they would lose a game they weren't supposed to win. And this vote didn't go the way we wanted to go, but it's important to how we respond and how we react to it. First off, if the company wants this vote, obviously, so they didn't vote on it. They adjourned the meeting and kicked it down the road 1 week. And I guarantee you they're going to be out looking for the votes and or putting together a proposal or PR or something. Like, this is an important piece of the puzzle for their catalysts, their deals, and their partnerships that they're working on. No doubt. So they were smart about that. And then, so I'm perfectly comfortable where I'm at right now. Actually, I bought more shares this morning at 95 cents. I averaged my position even stronger this morning. I only got a partial fill. I was hoping to get a few more thousand, but I only got a little bit. But so I am not worried about where it's going, where we're headed with this. And if you are, we've preached this over and over and over, you're probably oversized or too much into the trade. So you need to maybe think about your trading and what your budget is regarding this trade.
I'm staying in it because, I mean, long term, it just makes sense. Now, I didn't want this to be long term, but, voting against this, that makes this long term. It's the more people keep voting against it, the longer term it becomes. That's all there's to it. So, I mean, shit, if you like holding on to it long term and just want to hold on to it long term for fun, keep voting no against it. I mean, hell, fuck it.
Yeah, Cameron Day, you're asking the question. They have a second shot at the vote. They actually didn't even vote on it. They knew from the vote counts that they were taking, so they just adjourned. They voted everything else. And they adjourned the meeting for 1 week out. So which was smart on their part. So those that are that either voted no or hadn't voted at all, I guarantee you those people are going to be getting reached out to. And you can do a lot of finger pointing. You can say it's their investor relations, it's their PR firm, it's their leadership. But the reality is this. I'm in the trade. You're in the trade. James is in the trade. If we do anything to hurt the trade, like if I say, "Hey, I'm dumping my shares," then a lot of people are going to get effed. So take a look at your trade, be smart about it, and realize what's going on. I think we're going to be okay. I really believe that, and I'm heavy. I got my kids' stock accounts in this. I've got family I've told about this. So I'm very comfortable where we're at.
I'm heavy. I'm very heavy also. I mean, my P&L looks like absolute shit right now.
Yeah.
Because of this. And because I'm so heavy, the numbers just look far, far worse. Brian Latchford, thank you so much for the $5 tip. The most positive thing on the show. Hey, Brian, since we're marqueing your name up there, we'll let you get a good screenshot of me smiling on this episode. But man, I'll be honest, like it wasn't predictive oncology who screwed this up. It wasn't PR. This was retail traders. This was the retail traders refusing to understand how share structure really works and just willfully wanting to remain ignorant. And they see increase in shares. They're like, oh shit, I ain't have my shares diluted. No, I'm voting no for that shit. And they get out and they vote no. And this is what happens when people are ignorant. So that's all there is for StockCast today.
So the market opened 2 minutes ago. We apologize for the short show, but between James and I talk about the show and then the abundance of phone calls, text messages, and phone calls and emails asking about this, it delayed us.
Yeah. So I have a few phone calls that have been requested of me to make today. But there's honestly no point in telling retail traders because, hell, y'all just going to vote against the shit anyways. So that's it for the StockCast show. I'll catch you later.